Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Crimson Desert game crashing or stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Select power button and then select restart PS5. After that, try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5, then hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to check PS5 overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to check HDMI connection. You should check whether the HDMI cable is properly connected or not on your PS5. If there is any problem on the cable, then change it and use another one to get rid of the issue. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that go to settings on your PS5, then click on network, then click on settings and click on setup network connection. Here click on options under Wi-Fi frequency. You can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings on your PS5, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Crimson Desert game, click on restore. Finally, confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to sign out and sign to PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. Next solution is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. Next, select console storage and then tap on delete option. Next is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on a PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select Crimson Desert game. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software. Click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available. And finally, select update using internet option. Next solution is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings in your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last, choose restore option. Next method is to reinstall Crimson Desert. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Crimson Desert game again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link I have already provided in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across while playing the game, and the support team will try to resolve it from their end, and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.